Welcome to Elite Service Masters. Today we're diving deep into the essentials that every handyman should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right tools is a game changer. Having the right tools for the job is crucial for any handyman. It's the difference between completing a project efficiently and struggling to get it done. With the right tools, you'll be more confident, efficient, and productive, and your work will speak for itself. We've all been there, stuck in the middle of a project, frustrated because we don't have the right tool for the job. We've wasted hours, even days, trying to find a workaround or borrowing from a neighbor, only to realize that it's not quite the same. The truth is, not having the essential tools can slow down your projects and increase your frustration levels. It's like trying to drive a nail with a screwdriver. You might get the job done, but it's not the best way to do it. Without the right tools, you'll end up wasting time and energy, and your work will suffer as a result. We've all had those moments where we wished we had that one tool that would make the job so much easier. Imagine being able to tackle any project with confidence, knowing that you have the right tools for the job. It's a game changer, and it's exactly what we're going to talk about today. We're going to dive into the must-have tools that every handyman should have in their arsenal. From the basics to the essentials, we'll cover them all. These tools will help you work smarter, not harder, and take your projects to the next level. So what are these must-have tools? These must-have. Let's start with the basics. A good hammer is essential for any handyman. It's the most versatile tool you'll ever own, and it's used in almost every project. A tape measure is another must-have. It's the only way to ensure accuracy and precision in your work. And let's not forget about pliers and screwdrivers. They're the bread and butter of any handyman's toolbox. But that's not all. We'll also talk about the essential power tools that'll make your life easier, such as a cordless drill and a circular saw. One tool that stands out from the rest is the multi-tool. It's the Swiss Army knife of tools. It can do it all. From cutting to tightening to opening packages, this tool is a lifesaver. It's the one tool that'll get you out of sticky situations, and it's the one tool that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. The multi-tool is the ultimate problem solver, and it's a must-have for any serious handyman. In conclusion, having the right tools for the job is crucial for any handyman. These must-have tools will help you work more efficiently, complete projects faster, and take your work to the next level. Don't waste any more time and energy struggling with the wrong tools. Invest in these essentials and elevate your handyman skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own must-have tools in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Elite Service Masters. Join our community of skilled handymen and DIY enthusiasts. Let's tackle those projects together.